Alright, I'm going to show you, let's say, an alternative to a classic 1, 2, 3, 4 combo. Same flow, but all elbows. This is just a concept, right? So we start from here. We start from this position. This is called the pencil. This comes from the instinctual fighting method. This right here can withstand a lot of damage, but you can also strike into it, right? So instead of one, come through here. So that's the jab replacement. Now for the straight right. The straight right is here. Now it'll follow that left hook. Right. So here's one. 1, 2 becomes 1, 2. So just replacing elbows instead of boom, boom. Let's add the left hook. Alright, so here's classic, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now the hook's gonna come here. 3. Instead of boom, the elbow twice. Inside. See? Two. Same concept, but elbows instead. Alright, now we need to replace the uppercut. This will be a little bit different. This one's going to come from the top down. And this is absolutely nasty. Alright, so here we go. Traditional. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's going to become much bigger. Here's the 1, 2, 3, the 4 is over the top. And you have to frame it. Right, so you're coming down on top. Same flow, except all huge elbows. Until next time, peace.